Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. It's time once again for another beer, wine, and whiskey review. In this video, we're checking out the Twisted Tea Smooth and Sweet Tea Whiskey. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Twisted Tea Sweet Tea Whiskey. They just got this in my local liquor store, Winslow Liquors in Pike County, Indiana. And if you look online and price it around, it's around $20, give or take. I never heard of it before. They actually had a picture of it up on Facebook. So I had to go in and actually pick it up because I wanted to try it. Made with whiskey, natural flavors, and real brewed tea. Take everything you know about whiskey and toss it out the window. Made with real brewed tea, we took the same great taste of Twisted Tea, hard iced tea, and reimagined it as a sweet and smooth flavored spirit with hints of lemon. Enjoy it straight up as a shot or add it to your favorite mixer. We don't judge. Now, it is 32.5% alcohol by volume, which makes it 65 proof. And I got on the good old interweb. It says, made with whiskey and real brewed tea, this spirit takes your taste buds on a wild ride that's smooth and sweet. With the delicious taste of Twisted Tea and extra hint of lemon, Twisted Tea Sweet Tea Whiskey can make anyone a whiskey fan. Try it on ice, as a shot, or as a perfect addition to any mixed drinks. Well, let's go ahead and get it open. Now, I had this in the refrigerator, I'm going to say about 12 hours. That smells really smooth. It kind of has a smell of Milo's sweet tea. I know it says Twisted Tea, but it smells like Milo's sweet tea. Now, like I said, I got this at my local liquor store. And do me a favor, do your community a favor. Support your small town businesses. Because without them, well, I guarantee you, small towns are going to disappear even more. It has a real, I'm going to say, tea color. I mean, I don't know how to describe it. It's not really dark. I was expecting it to be a lot darker since it does have whiskey in it. I was expecting like, I don't know, probably like more of a caramel color, I guess would be the word. Oh man, that smells really good. Let's go ahead and give it a little taste. That went down exceptionally smooth. There's no whiskey burn. Not a strong whiskey taste. I gotta say, that is the smoothest whiskey I have ever had. Now, I like Red Stag, Jim Beam Red Stag. And that still has a little bit of whiskey burn, whiskey taste. I used to put ice in it, let it get watered down a little. This, you don't need to water it down or nothing. It's not as sweet as the hard iced tea, but it's still a little sweet. It's not overbearingly sweet. I'm really taken back by this because I never, and I'm like 52 years old now, a whiskey that was that smooth. This is what I would call a really good night. but a really rough morning. Yeah, that's amazingly good. If you don't like whiskey and you just want to try a whiskey, just see if you find one you like, I definitely recommend this. If you like the twisted tea, I definitely recommend this. If you like sweet tea, I definitely recommend this. I mean, oh my, man, yeah. I'm going to have to give it a solid 5 out of 5. If I could give it more, I would, but we're using a 5-star rating. So yeah, if they made it any better, it'd be wrong. Okay, with all that said, I'm going to give it a definite 5 out of 5. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, a little circle up over here. And as always, thank you for watching.